So drawing vital energy into the body, fill the body like a balloon. Just create a type of inflation tension as you breathe in. Then as you breathe out, I want you to relax and hang the muscles and create a very deep relaxation. Almost as if you're just totally letting go. So all the muscles hang on the bones. And let that fascia tension drop. So your body's just really, really limp. And vital breathe, inflate the balloon, inflate the fascia again, raise the spine, suspend the head, fill everything up. And then totally relax, hang the muscles, make your body limp. Total letting go. Let's repeat that cycle. Really feel the contrast in the body and the muscles just hanging and releasing on each out breath. We're activating fascia, inflating the body on the in breath, and hanging muscle, totally releasing everything on the out breath. I want you to pay attention to the contrast, the feeling of relaxing, hanging the muscles, everything's limp, and very gently inflating the body, activating the facial web, filling the body with energy, and then letting go completely, releasing the muscles. This contrast between inflating the body like a balloon, you'll notice that there's quite a lot of muscles being used, because as you relax and release the muscles, you have this big collapsing of the system. So I want you to identify, as you're inflating, what muscles are you using, and relax those muscles as you inflate. So you want to activate the fascia, but not the muscle. So this allows you to identify what muscles you're using, which you shouldn't be using to vital breathe. So you inflate like a balloon, and normally when we inflate, we push the joints open. We use muscle to activate the facial feeling and that life force feeling. Now as we collapse and relax the muscles, you'll feel the dropping in your body, and you shouldn't. The muscles shouldn't be used to start with. So what we want to do is train to inflate this fascia really, really gently with the mind, fill it with energy, but not create a muscular bang that there's something to release. We don't want to have to release anything. So the skill of gently inflating, activating the fascia without using the muscle, so that when you get to the end of the breath and you start to release, there's less and less there to release, and the fascia just remains full and active, and you drop the muscle off, and there's a smaller percentage of muscle being used. So this is the object of this exercise. The objective is to identify what muscles you're using and stop using them.